to another OSINT video of VIEH group. So today we have a problem statement. So actually the problem arises when we have a URL. So there's a lot of time there might be some malicious URL, there might be some URL that we have to investigate, that we have to understand exactly what does it. So in most cases what happens basically we're not able to understand what exactly the URL is. There's a lot of things in the URL parameters. It means basically let's say if there is a website viehgroup.com, let's say there slash tcp slash tci slash lpdn. So you might understand what does exactly this mean, what does exactly this mean, but what does it mean? Sometimes you might have stuck in this situation. And recently I just shared a video which was on OSINT, or which was on dark web, actually how to access dark web on your browser without configuring the Tor network itself. So how to analyze all these things. So this is very much problem when in terms of doing OSINT or when in terms of doing any investigation. Well, I'll just tell you how to do that stuff. So there's a website which is called dfir.blog slash unfurl, right? So let me there a URL. So let's dig out this URL. What does it going to show us? So we have not received anything yet. Oh, there's a simple link. So let's explore something more. So let's check. Let's get something from the link. So let's go to VIEH group. So I'm just showing you a parameter test how to do all those things. So let's say if there is a this post, right? Let me copy the URL. Let me paste the URL here. UNF URL. Oh, so here you can see it's created a very descriptive analysis of a URL parameter. Okay, all this section is a part of parameter. So the link is very longer. It basically expanded this thing. So scheme is HTTPS. It's from LinkedIn. Okay, subdomain is W, and this is what exactly this means. TLD.com. Domain is extremely popular. This is what does it mean. One post is there in this URL. Okay, and this is from VIH group. I'm quite somehow associated with VIH group. This is a timestamp, and this is what exactly when it was posted, right? So this is very much this can help you a lot. If you don't want to open a URL, you will get to know exactly when it was open. Okay, and this is the source when it was posted. Like it was posted on desktop. Most probably, what does it mean? Like I opened this in desktop, so might be showing the desktop part, RCM, and a lot more information provided. So this is a website which is going to help you a lot. So you can check it out. Let me know in the comment box what exactly you like after browsing this website. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.